Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by naming a single, clear outcome and audience that guides every decision. Next, choose the AI model and tone, concise, formal, or creative, and note cost or token limits. Then give the first actionable prompt, include 3 examples, required length 500 words, and any forbidden terms. Once done, confirm the model understands format needs. You now have a working prompt that produces focused drafts instead of vague output, so you save time and get usable text immediately. You evaluate the draft for structure, voice consistency, and factual gaps, then mark precise changes. Ask the model to rewrite specific sections, shorten paragraphs, or expand examples with 2 extra details. Name the sentences to change. Make sure to use constraints like bullet lists, headers, or a 3-paragraph limit so the output is predictable. Once those edits are applied, compare versions and combine the best lines manually. That step refines clarity and controls hallucinations while keeping momentum. You now proofread for grammar, factual accuracy, and brand voice, making line edits where necessary. Use a second AI pass for tone polishing if helpful. Then export the content to the desired format, plain text, markdown, or HTML, and save versions. If the model produces wrong facts or repeats, isolate the problematic prompt line and retry with 1 modification, for example, stricter constraints or a clarification sentence. That targeted retry usually fixes errors without rewriting everything.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.